A very good morning, class 7th. How are you all? So I hope all of you are doing good. So let's start with continue with our lesson. So which lesson we were doing? We were doing the conjunctions, right? So today is 5th of Feb. Today is 5th of Feb 2021 and it is Friday. Okay? And we are continuing with our lesson conjunctions. That is our chapter number 17. That is our chapter number 17, right? So we have completed up till the page number 101 and I told you to try to solve the exercise number 1. Okay? Yesterday we have done that. So let's start with this. Let's try to solve it. Doing exercise is good for health. Doing exercise is good for health. Dash, many people don't do it. It's on page 101. Doing exercise is good for health. Still, many people don't do it. So, first में आएगा still. Second, you can lead a horse to the water. Dash, you can't make it drink. But you cannot make it drink. Shall we go to the market or to the mall? There are two alternatives, so there we use or. When there are two alternatives, we use either or. And when we have to choose from when we have to choose from the two, there we use either or only or. And when we are saying that neither, दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं, so there we use neither nor. It began to rain, dash, we could not go out. So we could not go out. Dheeraj went to the library and borrowed a few books. Varun is a tall boy, dash, he does not want to join the basketball team. So Varun is a tall boy, still. Varun is a tall boy, still वो tall है, still वो क्या नहीं कर पाए, he does not join the basketball team. Yet he does not join. Yet भी आ सकता है बच्चे. Yet is also suitable here. Yet. So we can put here yet also. Now move to next page, page number 102, 7th one. She gave a good interview. Dash, she had prepared very well. For, she has prepared very well. Or since she has prepared, since नहीं इसमें दिखा रहे हैं. Okay, so for she has, for आएगा. 7th में for आएगा. For she has. Here we use it as a since. कि उसने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की है. She has prepared very well. For, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे for भी लगा सकते हैं. When we give the inference, when we are drawing the inference, means हम conclusion निकाल रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे हम for भी लगा सकते हैं since की जगह. Since भी लगता है, for भी लग जाता है. I felt bored. Dash, I watched a movie on DVD. I felt bored, so I watched a movie on DVD. The boy was very arrogant. Dash, his mother was kind and generous to him. The boy was very arrogant. Still his mother was very kind and generous to him. Yet भी आ सकता है. Yet his mother was very kind and generous to him. Yes, we can use yet also. This table is not of very good quality. Still, it is expensive. Yet it is expensive, or still it is expensive. Both are suitable. The teacher taught the students and gave them classwork to do. As I am teaching you and I always give you the homework, but nobody sends me back. 7th class, nobody, not even a single student sends me any homework. I don't know what you people do at home. They never cheat, dash, nor do they harm anyone. They never cheat, nor के साथ लगेगा, neither के साथ लगेगा, nor. Neither they cheat, nor do they harm anyone. Hina not only travels around the world but also write books. Not only and but also. So these are used like this only in pairs. Shalini obeys everyone, for that she is treated. Shalini obeys everyone. So we can write so accordingly she is treated fair, or Shalini obeys everyone, however that no. Consequently that किसके साथ लगेगा? So we will write here for. Shalini obeys everyone, for that she is treated fair. Now we come to exercise number 2. Use the sentence connectors given below, because these 4, consequently, however, nevertheless, and one more is there, accordingly. These are sentence connectors. As we have discussed yesterday, given below to fill in the blanks and complete the following sentences. Women forged the documents and got money illegally. We'll do here. Exercise number 2, page 102. Women forged the documents and got money illegally. However, she was caught by the police later. The accident victim was not brought to the hospital in time. Consequently, so as a result, क्या हुआ? He was not brought to the hospital in time. So consequently means as a result, doctors could not save his life. Third one, the warden denied out pass to the students who had not cleaned up their rooms. Accordingly, what they did, they tidied up their rooms and went out. Ashok could not go to school due to illness. Nevertheless, he took help from his friends and completed the homework in the evening. So now we come to exercise number 3. Join the following sentences using coordinating conjunctions. Use the appropriate conjunctions from these given in the box below. So you have been given this conjunctions and you have to rewrite all these sentences. So do this exercise number 3 in your notebooks. You must take complete rest. You will fall ill again. So इसमें हम कौन सा लगाएंगे? Because they are giving you the cause or the reason. Consequence बता रहे हैं आपको कि अगर आप रेस्ट नहीं करेंगे so you will fall ill again. तो otherwise आएगा इसमें, क्योंकि इसमें otherwise है, so है नहीं है, तो हम इसे ऐसे लिखेंगे. You write down all of you. You must. You must take rest. You must take complete rest. Otherwise, you will fall ill. You will fall ill again. ठीक है? Fine? Second one, the weather was very bad. They continued their journey. The weather was very bad. Nevertheless, the weather was very bad. Nevertheless, the weather was very bad. Nevertheless, they continued their journey. So do this in your notebook. Do this exercise in your notebook. Class 7th, note this. One should not borrow money, one should not lend money. Neither one should borrow money nor one should lend money. Neither one should, तो हमने neither लगा दिया तो not नहीं आएगा. Neither one should borrow money nor one should lend money. Fourth one, he was wasting time. He should have been studying. So he was wasting time while he should have been studying. He was wasting time while he should have been studying. So he was wasting time while he should have been studying. वो तब अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा था जब उसको पढ़ना चाहिए था. So he was wasting his time. Now we come to the next one. You may take a move now. You may leave early tomorrow. Either you may make a move now or you may leave early tomorrow. So here we have two options, two alternative. So either you may make a move now or you may leave early tomorrow. Sixth, we had to stay at Chandigarh. The road to Simla was blocked. Only is left. We had to stay at Chandigarh. We had to stay in Chandigarh. they have not written because or so, only. The weather was very bad. I think here he was wasting time, only he should have been studying. While he should have been studying, only. We had to stay at Chandigarh, only the road to Simla was, the only road to Simla was blocked. We had to, but here it will not be used as a conjunction then. The only road तो फिर यहाँ पे adverb हो गया ना. We had to stay at Chandigarh, the only the road to Simla. You may make a move. No, he was wasting time, only should have been studying. Only when he was wasting time, only he should have, only he was wasting time. So we can change this one. Fourth one, यहाँ पे आप only लिखिए, he was wasting time, only he should have been studying. We had to stay at Chandigarh. We had to stay at Chandigarh while the road to Shimla was blocked. The road to Shimla was blocked. So here we will rectify it. यहाँ पे हम only कर देते हैं fourth में. He was wasting time, only should have been studying. Then I wanted to call on you personally, for I was very tired. I wanted to call on you personally, for I was very tired. So he wanted to call on you personally, for he was very tired, so that is why he couldn't. You should not improve your expression, you should also improve your spellings. Not only you should improve your, not only you should improve, not only you should improve your expression, but also improve your spellings. So do this exercise in your notebook. We have done this. Now we reach there at the subordinating conjunction. So come on, let's start understanding what does the subordinating conjunction means. When two statements join each other to form a new sentence, they are known as clauses. Clauses क्या होते हैं बच्चे? Two lines, two sentences होते हैं उसमें. एक होता है main clause और एक होता है subordinate, that is dependent clause. So दो clauses जो होते हैं, जब हम उनको join करते हैं तो उनको हम subordinate conjunction से join करते हैं. So we join them with the subordinating conjunction. So when two statements are joined, एक statement ये दी हुई है, एक statement ये दी हुई है, and when we have to join them, so they are known as, to form a new sentence, जब हम दो statements को join करके एक sentence बनाते हैं, वो हमारा clause बन जाता है. It becomes a clause. So there are two main clauses जो मैंने आपको भी बता दिया, main clause and subordinate clause. So subordinating, ऐसे ही subordinating conjunctions होते हैं. and they join the two statements of unequal rank. हमने पीछे पढ़ा था, we read yesterday that coordinating जो conjunctions होते हैं, coordinating conjunctions they join the two equal rank statements. कल पढ़ा था ना हमने, if you remember. But in subordinating they join the two statements. When the two statements are joined, it became a clause, and there are two main clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. So in subordinate clauses we join two unequal statements because the main जो हमारा clause होता है it gives a complete meaning, it is complete in itself. But जहाँ पे हम subordinate conjunction लगाते हैं it introduces the dependent clause, वो dependent clause को introduce करता है. Now see कैसे. The subordinate conjunctions connect two clauses of unequal rank or importance. तो हमने जैसे हमने पढ़ा था कि जो coordinating है they join the two equal rank sentences, but in subordinating they join subordinating conjunctions, they connect the two clauses of unequal rank. One is main clause and one is the dependent clause. Like things have changed. If I write here, now we are going to do the subordinate clause. Sorry, not clause, it's conjunction. Subordinate conjunctions. Number 2. They join two clauses of unequal rank. ये दो क्लॉजेस को ज्वाइन करता है अनइक्वल रैंक. फर्स्ट हो जाता है हमारा मेन प्लस डिपेंडेंट, मेन क्लॉज प्लस डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. तो अब मैं अगर लिखती हूँ थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड. This is one statement, one thought is expressed and it is complete in itself. Things have changed. चीज़ें चेंज हो चुकी हैं. इसके आगे मैं लगाती हूँ since I last met you. Now here we have used since. ये जो हमारा है this is our subordinating clause. ये हमारा subordinating clause है. ये हमारा this is one statement. Things have changed. It is complete. It does not need any other clause to complete its meaning. It has complete meaning. Things have changed. चीज़ें change हो चुकी हैं. But यहाँ से हमने ये जो हमारा I last met you, it's very incomplete. You don't understand what to say and what to get out of it. आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. I last met you. I last met you तो इसका कोई मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं बनता है. उसके साथ आपको इसको ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा तभी इसका कंप्लीट मीनिंग बनेगा. तो जो ये कंजंक्शन होते हैं ये डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इट इंट्रोड्यूसेस द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. सिंस आई लास्ट मेट यू. So this is our main clause and this is our subordinating clause. And this conjunction introduces the subordinate clause. So इसमें क्या आ जाता है? The chief हमारे subordinating conjunctions कौन कौन से हैं? After, because, if, that, though, although, till, before, unless, as if, though, when, where and while. So all these are our subordinating conjunctions. So there are 7 kinds of subordinating conjunctions. So now we will discuss. The first one, it tells about the time. Conjunctions denoting the time. Denoting time. इसमें आपको वो टाइम बताएंगे. ठीक है? कैसे? We will go before the party gets over. अब आप में इस सेंटेंस में you will get the idea of a time. We will go before the party is over means हम पार्टी ख़त्म होने से पहले चले जाएंगे. तो before time बता रहे हैं. Then you cannot achieve till you leave your couch. You cannot achieve till you leave your couch. Till you leave your couch. अब जो ये टिल है ये हमारा टाइम बता रहा है हमें कि आप अचीव तब तक नहीं कर सकते जब तक कि आप अपना काउच नहीं छोड़ देते, अपना बेड नहीं छोड़ देते, अपनी सीट नहीं छोड़ देते. क्योंकि फॉर डूइंग समथिंग, फॉर अचीविंग समथिंग, यू हैव टू वर्क, यू हैव टू कम इन एक्शन. And until and unless you will leave your bed or you leave your couch, you cannot achieve anything. So here it is denoting the time. Second one is conjunctions denoting cause or reason. Conjunctions denoting cause and reason. सेकेंड वाला आपको कॉज एंड रीजन बताएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई फियर्स नो इविल बिकॉज आई प्रैक्टिस गुडनेस. आई फियर नो इविल, आई फियर नो इविल बिकॉज आई प्रैक्टिस गुडनेस. आई प्रैक्टिस goodness. Now here it is telling you the reason or the cause of why he is not fearing evil. उसे कुछ भी I fear no evil, मुझे कोई किसी बुरी चीज़ से डर नहीं लगता. Now he will give you the reason because I practice goodness, क्योंकि मैं अच्छे काम करता हूँ इसीलिए मुझे किसी भी बुराई से डर नहीं लगता. Here it is giving you the cause or the reason. So here this conjunction, because it gives you the cause or a reason, and the conjunctions like till and before, after, they tell you about the time. Now the next one is conjunctions denoting purpose. Denoting purpose. Now here it will tell you about the purpose. Purpose कैसे बताएंगे? Go to the doctor so that you may be cured of your illness. So that गो टू द डॉक्टर सो दैट यू मे बी क्योर्ड ऑफ द इलनेस. आपको भी पर्पस बता रहा है कि डॉक्टर के जाओ तभी आप अपनी इलनेस से ठीक होगे. वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू विल फेल. सो हियर इट इज़ गिविंग यू द पर्पस दैट आइदर यू वर्क हार्ड अदरवाइज और लेस्ट यू विल फेल. मीन्स यू आर गिविंग द पर्पस कि आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, यू शुड वर्क हार्ड लेस्ट यू विल फेल. कंसल्ट एन आर्किटेक्ट फॉर योर हाउस लेस्ट यू शुड वेस्ट योर मनी. आइदर मीन्स आपको एक अच्छे आर्किटेक्ट को कंसल्ट करना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप अपना पैसा वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. तो हियर इट इज़ गिविंग यू द पर्पस. सो पर्पस में आ जाते हैं हमारे सो दैट, लेस्ट, ऐसे और भी हैं, राइट. सो द फोर्थ वन इज कंजंक्शन डिनोटिंग रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. डिनोटिंग रिजल्ट एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. अब यहाँ पे वो आपको कुछ रिजल्ट या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बताएगा. कैसे? श्याम इज सो स्लो दैट ही नेवर कंप्लीट हिट्स वर्क इन ऑन टाइम. श्याम इज सो स्लो, वो इतना स्लो है कि वो अपना काम कभी भी टाइम पे पूरा नहीं करता. वो स्लो है इसलिए उसका काम कभी भी टाइम पे पूरा नहीं होता. तो रिजल्ट क्या निकला? दैट हिज वर्क इज नॉट कंप्लीट. सो हियर सो दैट, these type of conjunctions come under this category. Denoting condition. Denoting condition. अब यहाँ पे आपको वो कंडीशन बताएगा, कोई कंडीशन लगाएगा. जैसे इफ़ यू टाइडी अप योर रूम आई विल टेक यू टू द एडवेंचर आइलैंड. अगर आप अपना रूम साफ करते हैं, आपने एक कंडीशन दे दी उनको, क्लॉज दे दिया, इफ़ क्लॉज लगा दिया. इफ़ यू डू दिस थिंग आई विल डू दिस फॉर यू. If you tidy up your room, I'll cook a cake for you. If you tidy up your room, if you bring first class in your exams, I will gift you this thing. So means you have given a condition, you have given a clause to them. So here if clause होता है इसमें. आपने एक कंडीशन लगा दी कि अगर ऐसा करोगे, इतने नंबर लाओगे तो मैं ऐसा करूँगा. तो वहाँ पे हम अक्सर if लगाते हैं, और unless या अनलेस लगेगा. सिक्स्थ हमारा आ जाता है कंजंक्शन डिनोटिंग कंसेशन। यहाँ पे डिनोटिंग कंसेशन, अब कंसेशन कैसे मिल रहा है हमें? आई कैनॉट एक्सेप्ट योर मिस्टेक दो यू आर माई फ्रेंड। मैं आपको आपकी ये जो गलती है माफ़ नहीं कर सकता, चाहे आप मेरे फ्रेंड हो। दो एंड ऑल दो कंसेशन में आ जाते हैं, ऑल दो एंड दो, ठीक है, ये जो हैं ये कंसेशन में आ जाते हैं। ऑल दो इट वॉज रेनिंग स्टिल दे कंटिन्यूड देयर जर्नी, ऑल दो इट वॉज रेनिंग दे कंटिन्यूड देयर जर्नी, स्टिल नहीं लगेगा वहाँ, एक ही कंजंक्शन लगता है, तो मीन्स वहाँ पे हमने कंसेशन दे दिया। अ किचन इज़ अ किचन ऑल दो यू डोंट कुक एनीथिंग इन इट। किचन तो किचन ही है, चाहे आप वहाँ पे खाना बनाएं चाहे ना बनाएं, ठीक है ना, कंसेशन मिल गया वहाँ पे। कंजंक्शन डिनोटिंग कंपैरिजन, नाउ डिनोटिंग कंपैरिजन। अब कंपैरिजन दिखाएगा ये कैसे? योर मोबाइल फोन हैज़ मोर फीचर्स देन माई फोन, योर ब्रदर इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन माइन। मीन्स हियर दे आर कंपेयरिंग, दैन लगता है यहाँ पे, यहाँ मैक्सिमम THAN वाला दैन लगेगा, ठीक है। The easier chair, this easy chair is more comfortable than the couch is. Means here it is comparing two things. When we compare two things, there we'll add this THAN than. Be careful about that. THEN than nahi, THAN than. So I hope it's quite clear to you. So it is your homework. Do exercise number 4. Your homework is homework exercise number 4. This is your homework. Do exercise number 4 on page 104. So this is your homework. Okay, till now do this.